Join me, Andy Cook, to discover the heart of the American Southwest, Utah's breathtaking desert, in our Hanksville Photography Workshop. We'll journey through a world sculpted by time and erosion, revealing surreal landscapes found nowhere else. As the desert awakens, light blazes a trail of color across the sky. As the sun retreats, experience the quiet transformation of the desert landscape. During evenings, we'll capture the deep glow of the blue hour, learning techniques to balance the soft, cool light of dusk with the rich textures of the desert floor. This isn't just about capturing moments, it's about seeing the land differently. You will learn to harness the painterly light of the desert, from soft dawn hues to dramatic contrast, and discover how lines and shapes guide the eye through powerful compositions. Throughout the workshop, you'll receive focused, personalized instruction, both in the field and during post-processing. Whether it's refining exposure technique or mastering tonal adjustments, you'll get hands-on guidance to elevate your photography. While this is a ground-based workshop, it is a drone-friendly one as well. The wide open terrain around Hanksville offers incredible opportunities for aerial photography. Are you ready for an unforgettable fine art journey through the desert Southwest? Join us in April for comfortable temperatures, stunning light, and the long, lingering twilights of spring, the perfect season to experience Hanksville at its best.